Will is getting the food right now. Time is currently like 12:17. We might be a little late. That's fine. You know, it's alright. It's whatever.
Everything. Anyway.
For sure.
What? And then drag it all.
Who's ready to chop a cheese?
And then.
I don't know. You gotta ask them. I know Aaron is. Aaron's gonna get here and he's gonna be like,
Oh, dude, I used to be able to build computers, and then I went to jazz school, and now I can't count past 4.
What's this guy doing? What the f is that?
It's a screwdriver.
That is crazy.
Ski vests for me have always been more sexual than crime related.
What? Horizontal install of a M.2? This is crazy.
With the GPU in the way.
Nice. Sorry, leader of the group, is it cool if I walk on your bed?
Yeah, it's cool.
Alright, cool, because I just
his
walked on
knitted
your bed.
sheets?
Yeah, I walked on his knitted sheets.
You are the type of person to wear that hat and that shirt together.
I know, right?
Such a...
My dad got me this for Christmas. And now he has cancer.
I'm getting called from
What?
Mississippi.
Not from the city.
Get out of here. Hell, not from the city.
What goofy ass shenanigans are happening?
I was just passing him a literal plug.
Is the power flip thingy... Does that need to be flipped?
Turn it on. Turn the whole thing on.
Yeah, I tried to learn how to do that. You know what I'm saying? But
Turn it on.
I can't do it neither. I don't think. Also,
Oh my god, it's on.
Confidence.
from what I've seen, I'm pretty.
It showed up.
Oh, I'm doing the USB. I don't know if it showed up yet. It's probably there.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh god, this is gonna be really
Don't
unpleasant,
do it.
isn't it?
Just don't do it.
But I really want to know. Like, I don't have the opportunity to try. Like, I'll give it a
Why would you
try.
want to try this? Is this being your lecture?
Computer when I was reinstalling or when I was installing this the first time.
What? I see.
No?
At 4:30 in the morning.
Anyone.
What do you mean?
Anyone. Who on the docket will respond?
On the docket, not even on the
Who on the
roster.
Rolodex?
On the dock.
Who on the roll?
You
Who
need
in
to
my
be locked up
Rolodex
in a
is gonna
penitentiary
respond?
for that
I
one.
know.
We're just up for the whole day. Let's be real.
Dude, I cannot do offers like that.
This is
I
the
don't
wrong
know.
one.
I was like watching, like, you guys know
Right.
Fran Lebowitz? She's like this Jewish writer who is famous for having a 50-year-long writer's block. Anyways, I was watching her Netflix show with my parents, and this is back when I was super anxious, and I was having a panic attack because she was just so old looking. And I was like, she reminds me of my own mortality. And so I was like having a panic attack. I was like, Mom, Dad, you have to turn Fran Lebowitz off. She's too old. I'm having a panic attack.
Oh my god, it's almost there.
I know.
Things have gone very successful.
Yeah.
Really surprised.
Yeah,
You
just misheard.
We did it. That's it. Video's over.
Page fault in non-paged area. What does that even mean?
Well.